Good day each and everyone. I am Eliza Idris Pilmin, a third year BSL Social Studies. Today I am going to discuss the lesson 6 entitled Employee Training. Okay, so this employee training, it is a systematic approach to enhancing employee capabilities, not just a random collection of activities. It involves planned activities designed to achieve specific learning outcomes. So the best example of this is a company implements a structured onboarding program for new hires, covering company policies, safety, procedures, and job-specific tasks, rather than just letting new employees figure things out on their own. Okay, so next to that is that bridges the gap between capabilities and job demands. So meaning to say this training addresses skills, efficiencies, and knowledge gaps, ensuring employees possess the necessary competencies to perform their jobs effectively. So the example of this is a manufacturing company noticed a high errors rate on a new assembly line. They provide training to employees on the new machinery and techniques, resulting in improved accuracy and reduced errors. So next to that is the distinction between training and employee development. So meaning to say, this training focuses on specific skills and knowledge, while development is a broader term encompassing career growth and personal development, which may include training but also other initiatives. So example of this is a training program might teach employees how to use a specific software. Development might include mentoring, job shadowing, and leadership training to promote career progression. Next is the goal: improve efficiency, productivity, morale, and profitability. So this means that the ultimate aim of training is to enhance organizational performance and create a more engaged workforce. So the example of this is a company of Coca-Cola invests in customer service training, resulting in increased customer satisfaction, positive reviews, and improved sales. Next to that is the objective of training and development. So meaning to say, this training empowers employees their career, leading to increased job satisfaction and a greater sense of accomplishment. So example of this is an employee completes a project management training course, leading to promotion and increased salary. So next is the organizational objectives. So meaning to say, the training aligns employee capabilities with strategic goals, ensuring the workforce is equipped to meet organizational needs and achieve success. Example of this is a company trains each employees on new software to streamline operation and improve efficiency, directly supporting the company's goal of cost reduction. Okay, so next is the functional objectives. So meaning to say, these functional objectives is a training ensures departments operate effectively by providing employees with the new skills they need to meet their departmental goals. Example of this is the marketing of Pepsi department conducts training on new digital marketing techniques to enhance campaign effectiveness and increase brand visibility. Next is the societal objectives. Meaning to say, these societal objectives training incorporate ethical considerations and social responsibility, promoting responsible business practices. Example of this is a company provides training on diversity and inclusion, promoting a more respectful and inclusive workplace. Next is the organizational needs. So meaning to say, these organizational needs, understanding the organization's strategic goals and future needs is crucial to ensure training is aligned with the overall direction of the company. Example of this is a company expanding into a new market conducts a needs assessment to identify the skills required for success in the new market and design training programs accordingly. So next is the job characteristics. Meaning to say, analyzing job descriptions help determine the specific knowledge and skills required for each role, guiding the design of target training. Example of this is a job description for a specific software developer specifies the needs for proficiency and specific programming languages, leading to training programs focuses on those languages. Next is the individual needs. So meaning to say, assessing individual employee skills help pinpoint areas where training is needed to improve performance. Example of this is the performance reviews reveal a lack of proficiency in data analysis among some employees, prompting targeted data analysis training. So next is occurs in the normal work setting, meaning to say this training take place in the actual workplace using the tools, equipment, and materials employees will use on the job. This provides a practical and hands-on learning experiences. Example of this is a new mechanic learns to repair cars by working alongside experiences. Mechanics in a car repair shop using the shop tools and equipment. Next to that is the mentoring ongoing relationship guidance organizational insight, meaning to say a mentor provides long-term guidance and support, sharing their experience and insight into organizational culture and practices. It's a more informal developmental relationship from coaching. Example of this is a senior software engineer mentor a junior engineers, providing guidance on project management, problem solving, and navigating company politics. So next is what we call job rotation. So meaning to say this job rotation is the employee temporarily work in different roles on departments, gaining a broader perspectives of our organizational and developing diverse skills. Example is a marketing employee spends a month working in a sales department to gain a better understanding of sales processes and customer interactions. Next is the job instruction, meaning to say this job instruction techniques is a structured 4-step process for training employees on specific job tasks. It involves planning the training, presenting the information, allowing the trainee to try the task, and providing follow-up support. Example is a trainee uses JIT to teach a new assembly line work how to assemble a specific component, breaking down the process into steps, demonstrating each step, allowing the workers to practice, and then providing feedback and further assistance. Next is occurs outside. So meaning to say, the training takes place away from the workplace, often a classroom seminars or online environment. This allows for focused learning without workplace distractions. Example, employee attends a week-long workshop on customer service skills at the conference center. Next is the focused learning, meaning to say, off-the-job training allows for dedicated time and resource to focus on specific skills or knowledge areas. For example, a team attends a specialized training session on using a new project management software. Next to that is the sensitivity, meaning to say, this type of training helps employee develop self-awareness and improve communication and collaboration skills, addressing issues of diversity and inclusion. So next is transactional analysis, meaning to say this transactional analysis, this method helps employees understanding communication patterns and improve their interactions by analyzing their own and others' behavior. Example, a management team participates in transactional analysis training to improve communication and conflict resolution skills within their team. Next is the lectures. This lecture means that provide a structured way to deliver information to large groups. Example, a safety officer procedures for all employees. Next is the simulations and games create a safe environment for practicing skills and decision making in situations that mimic real-world challenges. Example, a flight simulator is used to train pilots on how to handle emergency situations. So next is the training design needs assessment, meaning to say this training design needs assessment, this is the crucial first step identifying the gap between required skill and current capabilities. Example, analyzing employee performance data, conducting survey, and intern. So that could be all. Thank you.